Hey guys! What's up? Alpha Lion Simba here, and welcome to another episode of Superstars of South Africa. I think you should take a note on this one because this is going to be our first episode on birds. And I'm going to do the secretary bird. So, let's grab our plumes and begin. Cue the intro.
And zebra foals, and 80% of their hunts end in success. And after a successful hunt, all the dogs who helped them.
The secretary bird is widespread throughout sub-Saharan Africa and is quite abundant in South Africa. The secretary bird gets its name from the black feathers on the back of its head, which look very much like the quills that Old English secretaries used, as they would store their quills in a similar fashion. A fully grown secretary bird weighs 3.3 kilograms, or 7.3 pounds, stands 1.2 meters, or 3.9 feet tall, and has a wingspan of 2 meters, or 6.6 feet. Secretary birds are not migratory, but they will travel long distances following their favorite foods. Speaking of which, the secretary bird's Latin name, Sagittarius serpentarius, means hunter of snakes, referring to its main source of food. In the wild, secretary birds mainly eat snakes, but they will also eat insects and smaller birds. And the secretary bird has a very special adaptation for hunting snakes. When it is on the search for a snake, the bird will stomp down on the snake's head with its sharp talons, thus killing the snake, and will then swallow the snake whole. During the breeding season, secretary birds perform very elaborate courtship displays. It will raise its crest feathers, and they will chase each other with their wings raised in a similar way to which they chase their prey. Secretary birds mate for life, and they build their nests high in the trees. Secretary birds usually lay 1 to 3 eggs per brood, and the eggs hatch after an incubation period of 42 to 46 days. The fledgling period lasts 70 to 100 days, after which the young leave the nest. Secretary birds reach maturity at 2 to 3 years old, and they can live for 10 to 15 years in the wild, and can live up to 19 to 20 years in captivity. The secretary bird was listed as endangered in 2020 due to a rapid decline across its entire range. Its main threat is habitat loss, as savannas are being cleared away to make room for roads and cities, and overgrazing of goats on the savannas. These declines happen even in protected areas such as Kruger National Park. There are currently between 6,700 to 67,000 secretary birds left in the wild. Well, that was it. My Superstars of South Africa episode on the secretary bird. Thanks for watching. Hope you liked it. If you liked the video, give it a thumbs up, leave requests in the comments below, and don't forget to subscribe if you haven't already. Alpha Lion Simba, out.